Welcome back, guys. I just did a recording but had to cancel it because my face was blocking the output console. Okay, so this is where it gets interesting. So, you might have wondered how the computer actually applies logic. It is done using the conditional statements. So, this is how we write a conditional statement. We have if, which is a condition. If 2 is greater than 3, then do something here. So this is the syntax for a conditional statement, and this is a conditional operator. There are different types of operator which you will see as we go through this lecture. So this is the statement, and we also have Elif, which basically means else if 5 is equal to okay, let's just start with the scenario and I will explain it then. So let's assume a scenario where let me check if it is recording. Yeah, it is. Let's consider a scenario. We have a son whose age is 15, then we have a daughter whose age is 17. Now we want to write a program which will tell us who is the firstborn child. So that can be done using the conditional statements. So if son's age is greater than daughter's, then we can print son is the first born. Then we execute it. Nothing happens in the console because this statement is not true, because son's age is 15. So you can actually try to think of this in your mind. So replace son with 15 greater than 17. So this condition is not true. So obviously the code present here is not executed. Then we have else condition. Else print daughter is firstborn. Now if we run this, we can see in the output console that daughter is the firstborn. Okay, great. We wrote something. We made a logic which actually works. Now there are different operators also, conditional operators. So the first one we saw, greater than operator. Then we can see less than operator. Then daughter is firstborn, right? Daughter would be the first one in this case. Else if. So else if in Python is written as Elif. So if son's age is less, then daughter is the firstborn. And you can actually write multiple Elifs. If son and daughter's age are equal, then they must be twins, right? They are twins. They should be, right? Yeah, they should be twins. Okay. Then we have a default case also, in which you can write if it doesn't satisfy any of the condition, then this will work at least. So it will say, I don't know who is firstborn. Okay. So now we can see that daughter is firstborn. If we run this, we should see that in the console. If we increase the age of son, then son is the firstborn. Oh, our code works. Now if their ages are equal, then they are twins. And this case will run when none of this works. So conditional statement goes like this: if first condition is satisfied, then run this code and then stop, do nothing. Then if it doesn't satisfy, then check the other condition we have, and if none of them are satisfied, then print this. I don't know. So if this condition was not there, it will print I don't know, or will it? Let's see. Yeah, it prints I don't know. But there are two more operators or conditional operators: greater than equal to and less than equal to. So this time it will say this. So it's a combination of greater than or equal to. If sun's age is greater than order, or is it equal, then run this code. See. So yeah, that's about conditional operators and conditional statements. Hope you learned something. Have a good one.